In this video, we'll take a look at snapshots within vCloud Hybrid Service. Snapshots preserve the state and data of a virtual machine at a specific point in time to allow users to revert back to it later. We're already logged into the dashboard in the virtual data center. Let's click the Virtual Machines tab to see the different virtual machines that we have. To get a more granular view of what happens when snapshots are taken, we'll monitor the progress within the vCloud Director UI. Click Manage in vCloud Director to move to the vCloud Director UI. When you right-click on a virtual machine, you can see the status of its snapshots. In this example, we don't have any snapshots yet, which we know because the revert and remove options aren't active. So let's go back to the vCloud Hybrid Service UI and create a snapshot. From this pull-down menu, we'll select Create Snapshot. The first thing vCloud Hybrid Service does is to check if any snapshots are already created. vCloud Hybrid Service supports one level of snapshots. That means if you have an existing snapshot and then take another, the previous snapshot will be overwritten. One common use case for this is patching. Say, for example, that you want to patch a Windows virtual machine with a service pack. You can snapshot it first, apply the service pack, and then, if everything went well, delete it. In this example, no other snapshots exist at this time, so we'll click OK to start creating the snapshot. Now we can go back to the vCloud Director UI and see what's happening. The green check shows that the snapshot has been created. Now let's refresh the vCloud Director UI and check the status of our virtual machine snapshot. You can see that we can now either revert to or remove it. Let's say we don't need this snapshot and want to remove it. We'll switch back to the vCloud Hybrid Service UI and from the same pull-down menu, select Delete Snapshot. It's going to ask if we want to delete the snapshot, and we'll click Yes. And just like when you create a snapshot, you can go back to the vCloud Director UI to see that the snapshot has been removed. With that, you now know the basics of using snapshots in vCloud Hybrid Service.